This video is brought to you by Uento. If you're looking to get free gift cards such as Google Play Credit, Facebook, Best Buy, PayPal, and much more, this is the way to do it. You'll get free cash, real money, and real rewards for playing and downloading applications. Check out Uento in the Google Play Store now. Welcome to the top apps of the month, August 2016, here with the Axon 7. Pretty nice phone, so let's get right into it. We're going to start it off with the wallpaper as always. And the wallpaper I wanted to show you is called P Wallpaper. Hopefully I said that right. Basically, it has some really nice designed wallpapers that the developer has designed by himself. They're not images grabbed from the internet. They're just good looking, materialized, flattened photos to put on your background. It is going to cost you $1.49. But the cool thing is I'm going to be actually giving away 10 promo codes. All you have to do is follow me on Twitter at HowToMen to win. And that's pretty much it. I will be announcing the winner soon enough. Just make sure to do that. And here's one of the wallpapers. It looks very nice in the background. They are in portrait mode, so you're not going to have that smooth, buttery transition when you swipe your phone from the left to the right on your home screen. But nonetheless, it still looks great. And yeah. Check it out in the Google Play Store now. First up is Dr. Fone. Now, this isn't an Android app, but a PC software, so you can think of this as an extra add-in to this video segment. Basically, you can recover any lost data within your Android device or from a microSD card using this software. This is great if your phone is broken, unresponsive, or water damage has occurred because it can recover contacts, text messages, photos, music, videos. Plus, it also claims to remove the screen lock from your Android device, so that's very useful just in case you forgot your password. Now, this doesn't work for every smartphone, so make sure to check out their list of supported devices. You can try it out for free through the link in the description. So the next application we're checking out is called Flytube. It's free in the Google Play Store. Basically, you can watch YouTube videos in a floating window. It's pretty cool. So let's go into YouTube and let's see what's trending. Of course, Donald Trump, but let's try to see Luke Cage. Here we go. So we're going to actually share that video to the application Flytube. Open that up and right away you can see that floating YouTube video, and you can go anywhere, open whatever application you want. So for example, if I go on my Instagram, well, I'm not logged in currently, but yeah, you can just scroll around. You can also do some cool stuff with it, such as make it full screen. You can't use any other video player, so automatically you're going to be using YouTube videos, which is a bummer, but most of the time I actually do use YouTube videos anyways, so it's fine. And if you actually pay $1, you can resize the floating window and you can customize the color. So the next application we're checking out is called CTRL-F. Let's open it up. With this application, it's free by the way, you can also search for specific words in real life documents. Here's a real life document. It's basically the Declaration of Independence that I printed out. Basically, I'm going to be taking a picture from my phone. It's not the greatest picture. Obviously, I could have probably gotten closer, but that's the purpose of this application. You just snap it, press the check mark. It's going to load it up. You want to select the edges, and then you're going to press the next button, and then you're going to choose what document language it is, and it's going to read the text. So there you go, it just finished. Now the cool thing about this is you can search whatever word you want from this document. That's pretty cool. It's just like Control-F when you press Control-F on your keyboard on your computer. So let's search up a word. Let's try to see what word is on here. Let's do refused. All right, let's see how many refused they use in the Declaration of Independence. And it says 3, and you can zoom in here. There you go, refused. There's 3 words. Let's try another one. Let's try new offices with 2 words. There it is, new offices. Yep, it found it. New offices. And in the end, you can share this document as well, export it as a searchable PDF. So the next application we're checking out is called Hexlock. This is free. You can lock specific apps with a passcode, like a pin or a pattern, or even a fingerprint sensor, and determine what can be locked or unlocked at specific times of the day with profiles. Here you can see the different profiles you have. So if I'm at work, I can enable that. And all these apps that I selected right here are going to be locked. So these are the locks. These are the apps I locked. So I locked my social medias, my games, and even my messaging applications, because during work I just want to focus on work, right? If I go back, maybe I have kids at my house. I locked important apps that I don't want my kids to use, like WhatsApp or messaging, maybe even my Instagram, the Google Play Store. So it's pretty cool. You can lock specific apps at specific times, and you also have the option of having a profile automatically enable when you connect to specific Wi-Fi. So messaging is locked. There you go. I can open it with my finger. Just opened it. Here's my dad. Maybe I want to open my Instagram, but it also has a lock, or at least it should. Well, the Messenger has a lock for sure. Let's go into my Instagram. Boom. It almost did for a second, for a split second, but not a big deal. I mean, no one can actually interact that fast with an app. YouTube, did I lock YouTube? Nope. And if I try to go into Instagram from my recents tab, it won't let me either. You also have the option of hiding specific photos and videos onto here. So if I click add, I can go into my camera. I took an embarrassing selfie of myself. I didn't even know I'd take those, but I can add it to the vault, and those photos will not appear in my gallery. At least it shouldn't. So let me go into my gallery here and let's check to see. Yep, it's not there, just those two. And if I want to add even more, I can. Let me just add all these embarrassing selfie pictures of myself. All right, there you go, they're added. And let's try to see if they will appear in my gallery. They did not, so that works perfectly fine. And then I have to unlock it. Perfect. Check it out in the Google Play Store now. So the next application we're checking out is called Bitly. This is from the popular website bit.ly. And what this does is if you actually grab a long URL and you put it into, you just paste it onto here, it will create it into a shorter URL. And here's my Facebook, there you can see, and I'm going to shorten this, well, not really long link, but it's still pretty long. I want it shorter, so let's just select all of it. Gonna copy that, and we're gonna go back into Bitly, and we're going to add it there. Paste that, create it, and we're just gonna refresh it. There it is, shortened. Just tap on that, and you can just tap on the link itself, and it will show you. And if you paste this link right down there, that little orange one, then you can actually open up my Facebook profile page if you really want to. So there I go. I'm going to share it on Twitter. I logged in and it's automatically shortened, and it will actually tell you who clicked on the link. If anyone used that link, they will click on it. There you can see. All right, now we're checking out the games. First game I have for you guys is called Rooms of Doom. This is by the same developers of Crossy Road, so you know it's gonna be a big hit. There I'm a monkey, well, a headless monkey, and there you can see this is the first room. You just gotta launch them. It's pretty fun actually, just tap and launch. Hopefully I don't fall in the water because that would be disappointing. Let's go into the next room. And this one you have to tap to jump, or tap to fly, not jump. It's sort of like a little Flappy Bird game, and each room has its own thing. So in this water room right here, you're actually going to have to tap down. You have to tap to actually float down to the bottom, so that way you don't hit the jellyfish. And yeah, that's that. The next room, this one's pretty cool. It's all, well, they're all pretty cool. So you just tap to jump onto the next railroad track. They're broken up, obviously. That was a close one. Oh, and I lost. All right. If I want to watch an ad, I can, and I will. So that way I can... All right, that took forever. Now we get to... All right. Oh, sweet. I'm faster now. Oh, this one you just tap to go back and forth. Try not to get hit by that giant hammer. It's pretty common. It's just common sense, obviously. There you go. I don't know what, I think it's just a checkpoint or something. I'm not too sure. And yeah, I'm doing, oh, I always fell there. Alright guys, this next game is called Snakebird. This is free. It's going to make you think. It's a very difficult game. So let's just jump right into it. I'm only on level 3, okay? So that's how hard it is, you know? So how this game works, you have to move the Snakebird around the towers. That way you can calculate the number of moves you need to make before accidentally running into one of these spikes and falling into the water. But that's your endpoint. These are your fruits that you have to collect. They're basically like your keys, right? And they make you a bit longer. There, I fell in the water. Good thing there's an undo button, right? Then you have to... I'm doing pretty good right now. It is only level 3, so... Oh, I already messed up. Alright. And we're going to go down here and into the endpoint. Let's try to see if we can do this. Ooh, fancy. Alright. Alright, now I'm stuck. Probably need to do this. There you go. And then what do I do? I'm a genius. I did that in like, I did great. Thank you. So the next game we're checking out is called Try Harder. It's an endless runner game. You'll have fun. This game is very simple. You just tap to jump, and if you hold down, you jump higher. So that's it. I have an upgrade right now if I want to use it. I have 2 now. I'm gonna use it. It's a spike ball, so that's pretty cool. I can just demolish everything, and I died. I can watch a video for an extra life. That's annoying. He says try harder every single time you die, so if you like repetitive words, this game is for you. No, give me the spike ball. I almost lost. Yeah. Oh, double jump. Oh, that was close. Doing pretty good. Ah, lost. The last game I wanted to show you guys is Suicide Squad Special Ops. This is free. It's a very fun game. And if you haven't seen the movie, I highly recommend it. So let's just continue. Right now I don't have a gun because I'm Diablo, but he has fire, so that's his weapon. So that's pretty cool. And you're trying to destroy all these monsters with his fire weapon that comes out of his hand. And I'm getting shot right now. You get to be Harley Quinn, or you get to be Diablo, or you get to be Deadshot, so that's pretty cool. I'm running into cars, I don't know why. The gameplay, you can see it looks nice. The game itself, the quality. And let's be Harley Quinn, why not? Her weapon is just a one-shot, so that's pretty cool. And then her specialty is even better. There you can see, I'm gonna tap on it, I just don't know where they are. So here we go. Boom. It's like very powerful. Boom! It's like so powerful. It's boom, boom, dude. We're destroying everyone, and then you can switch. You can switch to a pistol. Dang! Look at that. Just destroying these monsters, just like nothing. You can check it out. It's pretty awesome. I'll let you find out what Deadshot's weapon is. It's a rifle, but yeah. I don't want to give everything away, right? So that's it for the top apps and games of August 2016. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. But as always, I will see you guys in the next one. And kapow!